Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Remember last update I said I decided I was going to go with this, which is a base coat of Tamiya's Titanium Silver X-32 and multiple coats of Tamiya's X-27 Clear Red. Well, this is what I was shooting for, and this is what I got. Now it's still hardening, so it hasn't been polished or anything. It's just sprayed on. I am really happy with how this went down, but I think my first batch I thinned a little bit too much, and I ended up putting like 8 coats on this thing before I got it to the color I wanted. But I'm telling you, I think that's going to be dead on. So I did that, and like I said, I was going to do my dash the same way with the black. Now you could see what I was talking about. And then black inside. So I got everything painted today, and I'm not kidding. I have a ton of coats on this to get it this way. But I am really happy with how that turned out. On top of this, while that was going, I did a pin wash on the transmission. Look at how that pops. I mean, that just brings the life out of it. I did a pin wash on the engine real quick. There's not a whole lot to pin wash on there to give it, to bring it out, but I had to do it just to get it evened up. I also got my black done too. Now these seats still have tape on them. I haven't pulled the tape off yet. So let's see how bad they ran while we're on camera here. What do you think, huh? Tape is stuck, that's for sure. This is Tamiya tape. Pretty cool. All right, that's gonna be red. And I'm gonna use just regular Tamiya's X7 red on that and on the door panels too. For my valve covers, complete and utter failure, I re-chromed them. So I took the chrome off, I put chrome on, I tried to color it, I took that all off, and then I just re-chromed them with a multi pen. And I've had people ask, what do you mean a chrome pen? Liquid chrome multi pen. That's all I use. So this is where we stand right now. I'm happy with what I got done. I'm more happy with all the great comments I've been getting from everybody. All the subscriptions, thumbs up. I love it all. But I am Grandpa Mark. This is Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. It'll probably be 2 days to just let all this, maybe 3 to let all this harden. And then I'll come down here maybe Wednesday and give everything a buffing and all that and see where we stand there. I don't even think I'm going to pinstripe it. I think I'm going to just leave it bad to the bone like that. Check it out. Watch this. Watch me drop it. But check that out. Yeah. I'm calling it a win. So this is Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Y'all have a great weekend. Thank you again for watching.